Welcome to Tag Manager. Exponea Tag Manager allows running custom JavaScript or HTML codes on specific web pages, allowing customer personalization and specifying custom tracking. Let's try to create a new one. Go to Data and Assets and click on Tag Manager. Then create a new one. Now you have two options to select from. The first one is to simply program your own tag through an HTML or JavaScript, or select one of our preset options. If you click on, let's say, a JavaScript code, you will have to program from the beginning. If we go back to the preset, and let's say you're not that technical or you don't believe yourself enough, you can select from any of our use cases. For instance, if you're going to click on the Facebook pixel, what it will do is that you will be able to tag or create a cookie, and every single one of them, which will be tracked from your web page, will then continue to be tagged on the Facebook page, which means that they will receive advertisement from your company. That is to say, if you're going to click on this link, edit source code, you will see exactly the JavaScript code which allowed to build this preset. If you don't need to change the code or add more variables, simply put the pixel ID, which will then serve you to create the tag and work with it. The second option is, for instance, a business use case on the bottom click. What this allows you to do is that whenever a person clicks on a particular button which you define here, you will create a name for that button, and it will rather track the event which you're going to select. So for instance, if I want to track an event of every time a person clicks on analyses, I can select it here, and then this will be tracked as my event or a customer attribute. Then you can edit more about this in your settings. So what exactly and where will you be tracking it, and what are the rules and exceptions? You can set the priority of how important this tag will be. So what is going to be rather saying prioritized more. You will also have to select the consent category and the audience from which you're going to be selecting from. All of that will improve your customer tracking and will make your data analysis much better. So this is Tag Manager.